The prodigal son walked away, so he chased what he thought would satisfy him. And for a moment, it worked, but it didn't last because some emptiness doesn't disappear with noise. And when everything was gone, the pride, the control, the illusion, he was left with himself and the weight of it all. Then the famine came. He worked in a filthy, swampy pig farm, so he turned back, not sure he'd be accepted, not sure he still belonged, just hoping, maybe. And before he could speak, love met him. Not judgment, not rejection, just grace. So if you feel too far gone, too broken, too late, you're not. No distance is too far when grace is still waiting. Follow at the Tree of Life Bible for daily reminders from God's Word. Save post that speaks to you. Like, share, and comment.